Hey there and welcome back to my channel. Today I will make an email bot using Python. The bot will help you send bulk mails almost instantly. So without further ado, let us begin. First of all, you will need Python and PyCharm installed on your computer. If you don't have them installed, I will leave an installation link in the description below. I have made a project in PyCharm and created a Python file. First of all, I will import the SMTP library. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. If you were wondering, then I will get 3 different inputs from the user: the sender email address, a list of all the receiver's email address, and the message that is to be sent. This will be done using the input function in Python. The input function will ask questions to the user and then store the answers provided. We will use these stored values later in the code by referencing to the variable names that we used. After this is done, I will process the inputs. Any spaces given in the recipient list are redundant, so I will remove them by the replace function. We will form a Python list by splitting each email address with a comma. We will reference this list later in the code. Now I will write a try and except statement. In Python, try and except is used for error handling. Code is written after a try statement. If an error occurs while this block of code is being executed, then the rest of the code in the try statement is skipped and the code after the except statement is performed. In this way, we can alert the user if the email was not sent for some reason. Now I will use SMTP syntax to connect at port 465. Next, we will have to log into our Gmail account. Use your own username and password to log into your Gmail account. I am not showing my own data here because I don't want a viewer to send an email from my account. After this, I will write a for loop. The for loop will go through each email address and send the message. We will use the sendMail function. That is an inbuilt function of the SMTP library. For this function, 3 parameters need to be provided: the sender, receiver, and the message. Finally, a success message will be displayed. Now on to the accept statement. If the message could not be sent, we will display an error. The email may not be sent due to an incorrect password, an invalid username, or a poor internet connection. When you run this program, you will see that the message was not sent. This is because Google tries to protect each Gmail account by preventing third-party apps from logging into them. But since we are no hackers, we need to tell Python to stop throwing an error. In order to do this, I will provide a link in the description. With the link, you can allow third-party apps like Python to log into your account. I suggest you disable less secure apps from accessing your account after you are done with running the Python code. Now, the message is sent successfully. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to ZapCode.